Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alam natin guys, pag malaki ang audience mo or marami kang subscribers, malaki rin ang kita mo sa YouTube. How about guys if you just started and malit lang ang channel mo? In this video guys, I will teach you how to earn money on YouTube with or without channel. But before that guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you are brand new to my channel and hit the bell so you will get notified on my upcoming videos. Here we go! How to earn money on YouTube with or without channel. YouTube ads, merchandise or services, affiliate marketing program. In YouTube ads, before ka magkaroon ng ads, dapat ma-monetize mo na channel mo. For example, na-monetize na channel mo at mayroon na ads sa mga videos mo. Let's say $1 to $3 per 1,000 views. At kunin natin yung pinakamataas para masaya tayo. $3 per 1,000 views, that's called CPM. And then our goal is $300 monthly. Ganon, $300 monthly. So dapat umabot ng 100,000 yung total views natin monthly. Pero guys, hindi accurate yan. Pwede mababa or mataas yung income natin sa ads, depende sa mga audience natin kung mag-skip sila ng ads or hindi. Sana guys, hindi para happy tayo, di ba? Sana din sila mag-skip. So dapat yung key factor natin ay maraming views ang makuha natin guys. So yun dapat ang makuha natin. So get a lot of views dapat ang makuha natin sa mga YouTube audience natin. Yan ang key factor natin guys. Get a lot of views. Dapat maraming manood sa mga videos natin. Next, merchandise or services. One of the examples guys, dito sa Pinas, carousel. Yan, pwede ka magbenta ng brand new or used products sa online. So pwede mo gawin yan, pwede ka magbenta. Yan ang ginagamit natin dito. Example lang yan para makapagbenta online. Look at the account ng asawa ko. Nagbibenta siya ng mga fragrances, beauty products like Prada, Smashbox, L'Occitane, Nars at marami pang iba. Of course guys, pag nakabenta tayo, dapat kunin natin ng reviews from our customers. Good reviews guys, maraming customers ang dadating sa iyo. So dapat yun ang mawatay, dapat maganda yung quality service ang ma-offer natin sa mga customers natin para bumalik sila at dumami yung customers nila kasi nababalita yung mga products mo na binebenta. So ito yung mga pwede mo ibenta online. Beauty products, t-shirts. Pwede ka mag-customize ng t-shirt para mabenta mo rin sa online. Shoes, digital and electronic items, accessories, and online job like online job, freelance services. Marami dyan online job guys, like freelancer.com, at saka mayroon pang isa yung Upwork. Kahit saan ka pwede ka magtrabaho as long you have computer, laptop, and good internet connection. Dapat guys, maganda yung internet connections mo. Note guys, marami pa dyan to do merchandise or services. So mag-search ka lang online guys, ang dami pa dyan guys. Last, affiliate marketing program. Guys, bago maging member ng affiliate marketing program, of course dapat mag-sign up muna kayo sa Lazada, for example Lazada, Amazon, eBay, Shopee guys. Then you have to get a link or customized link from your affiliate program account and post to your social media account like Facebook and in your YouTube descriptions. Guys, kailangan po yun. Kaya mag-customize kayo ng link or kumuha ng link sa affiliate program natin. So when the viewers guys click on that link and purchase the products, then of course you will get a commission from it, guys. 5 to 20% commission depending on the items or brand na binibenta mo, like beauty products, gadgets, pet products, clothing, and any available items na pwede mo ibenta online sa mga social media account mo, guys. Please watch my video on how to sign up to affiliate program at saka paano mag-customize ng link para sa i-post mo sa FB mo or sa YouTube description mo sa ibang social media account mo, guys. Panoorin mo, guys, antabayanan mo, ipopost ko yun, so para malaman nyo kung paano rin gawin o paano mag-sign up sa affiliate program natin, guys. So just keep watching. Recap tayo, guys, on how to make money on YouTube with or without channel. Number 1, YouTube ads. Number 2, merchandise or services. And lastly, affiliate marketing program. Pero guys, marami pa dyang paraan on how to make money online. Ituturo ko yan sa inyo lahat dito sa channel ko. So just keep watching all my videos. That's all, guys. Sana nag-enjoy at may natutunan kayong lahat. Please give thumbs up if you like this video and share your comment down below and share with your family and friends. And if you're brand new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you will get updated on my next video. Don't forget, guys, please check the link on my descriptions. Maybe you will be interested. Thank you, guys. Jemaithespider at your service. Bye bye.